In this video, you will learn how to add schedules to your BIM projects using bills of materials. Click on the plus button from the Files tab of the BIM project browser. To create a bill of materials from scratch, choose New BOM. When first creating a BOM in a project, a Schedules folder will be created in the Project folder. You'll be directed to save the new BOM file in that specific folder. Please note that creating a BOM template in a large BIM drawing can significantly slow the process. It is best to create a BOM template in a small BIM drawing and then use it with large files. Once the initialization is over, the BOM Manager panel will open, allowing you to edit the BOM. When done, click OK to save the BOM table. You can also use BricsCAD's predefined BOM tables. Click on the plus button from the Files tab again, then choose Import BOM. In this example, choose the Door Schedule BOM file. Once the file is imported in the project, you can leave it as is, or you can double-click on it to edit the BOM. Let's customize the BOM to display more relevant data. Select the number column, then go to the top of the panel and choose a category from the list and an available column to be inserted. For this example, choose the BIM category, then choose the building property. Click Inserts the chosen column after the Current One button to add the new column to the right of the selected column in the table. Let's delete the Room to and Finish columns. To delete a column, right-click on it and choose Delete. Now, select the H column, then add a construction type property column next to it. Finally, let's also add a quantity column. To add a thumbnail column, click on the three dots at the top right of the panel, then choose the Insert Thumbnails column option. If you have custom properties in the project, you can add them along the existing columns. At the bottom of the BOM Manager you will find the BOM properties. For example, you can change the BOM title, or its type. You can also use filtering settings to filter the contents of the BOM. For example, since this table was already configured for doors, you can see here that it already has a filter to show only the doors from the project. Let's add a new filter. Choose the desired property category from the column, for this example, BIM. Next, choose the desired property, for this example, Building. The BOM table should only show the doors available in the D-Dalis1 drawing, so, go to the Value column and choose the desired value from the drop-down. After clicking OK, you can see that the BOM is filtered accordingly. When you're done editing the table, click on the OK button at the bottom of the BOM Manager panel. Go to the Sheets tab of the BIM project browser and open a sheet to insert the BOM. From the Files tab, drag and drop the BOM file onto the sheet. Left-click to place it in the wanted location on the sheet. To do further edits to the existing BOM, double-click on the BOM file in the BIM project browser. Right-click on the Story column, go to Sorting and choose to sort the column items in ascending order. To add a total for the quantity column, right-click on the column and, in the context menu choose footer, then sum. Click OK to save the edits. Now, the BOM needs to be updated. Launch the Data Link Update command and choose the Update Data Link option, then select the BOM table.